Only qualified personnel should service and install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video will demonstrate how to replace the side burner supply tube on a Napoleon Prestige PRO gas grill. To perform this service, you will need gloves, safety glasses, and an adjustable wrench. To begin, disconnect all power and fuel sources from the grill so it can be safely serviced. Locate the side burner supply tube underneath the control panel on the left-hand side of the grill, and disconnect it from the manifold using an adjustable wrench. Underneath the side burner, locate the end of the supply tube, indicated by an elbow fitting. Remove the pin that's holding the elbow fitting in place by pulling it downwards. With the supply tube disconnected, remove it from the grill by pulling it through the hole in the side of the cabinet. Ensure the snap ring remains within the opening to protect the igniter wire from damage. Locate the new supply tube and give the interior side a slight bend. Carefully feed the interior side through the hole in the cabinet so the igniter wire and snap ring stay in place. Once through, slightly bend the exterior side with the elbow fitting so it can reach the locator underneath the burner. Place the elbow fitting into the tip of the infrared burner and reinstall the pin to hold the elbow fitting in place. Underneath the control panel, resecure the supply tube to the manifold, tightening it with an adjustable wrench. Ensure the fitting is tightened a quarter turn past snug, being careful not to over-tighten and damage it. Next, reconnect power and fuel to the grill so a leak test can be performed. Turn on the fuel supply and create a 50-50 mixture of water and dish soap. Apply the mixture to the gas connection and regulator hose. Look for bubbles forming at the connections, indicating a leak. Tighten all leaking connections if necessary, so the grill can operate safely. Turn your attention underneath the side burner and remove the pin securing the elbow fitting in place. Apply the mixture to the elbow fitting and plug the tip of the orifice with your thumb. Then move to the underside of the control panel and apply the mixture to the side burner supply tube. Turn on the control knob and look for bubbles forming at the connections, indicating a leak, and tighten all leaking connections if necessary. Once confirmed there are no leaks, turn off the control knob and replace the elbow fitting into the locator. Then replace the pin to hold the elbow fitting in place. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.